News Lab channel na khwai punam muptaram na uksa bagaloina na pungja chi oina nungti phongo paw che dagi maru be paw khara khanjari naga taruk mihat ki justice pi haina ansam na selaga imphana maseli sakre India lenga na ko ki militant singa khuyek pina khiba su mi hana elections oina seasonare ansam NI na phagi basing duty magistrate puthokre police custody ni man laothokhre etigi thomi phajin khibagi maik te yaning da phongdorali BJP the pole pakaro harabasu maduda kiraga maile chenga dabanate setabata bom pokhal na bagi wakan bifam chathakre mayol ge poster campaign hokre sahi ani gi manang de imphal de train thungna bayana leire yumnam khemchan kinderjoi chari bangang sing checkhen ningai oire UMIs na fixed dose combination gi hidak tra tar thingjing kre center lising manga changwa da pangthoka daba NEET exam gi da mock drill pangthokre Inkhalali basing na kaunong chumna digital space na bumathok Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim Nmthak tourmbagidmk chnglagani haina laothokhre Prime Minister Narendra Modi gi lenga asina terrorism nan thabangamle awang pokta ingtapa hanjalale Amit Shah license kan gi kapthok maruna panbadagi ani sole hajik paw chandona mukpijari Me taram do cookie in the park of Mihatin Halaga Dolamba Nagatari Justice Pu Haiduna, all Naga Student Association Manipur, and some the Silaga impaled the Marcel at Cray. India Rangana Suma Pabatong Nabagiming the cookie militants a quick pinaki basu agreement me Hana elections in the season of Lady Haina, and some president and Angte Sang Marina from Dokre. Manipur gi maru ene imphal gi makobi da leiba naga frukim hairoin na hasing amasung maitei frukin ha kyana sakkiba reli edu da pontum pham yor laba matung mau market ta pangthokiba apunba mifam da wanga la duna ansang gi president angte sang maring na makhatan hai ngasi reli isna sarugyari ba punam tangdu leita ba pamba democracy bu thajabe mi ngangteni masi khangna manipur lenga na naga taru pharga matu kalaga tamthina hatkiba thong da chena ba kudem athu matan phaga da bani hairi Naga taru mihara sida chenerang gani hana chingna basing ki masak maming thin takrabasu ngasi phawa action amta lakhotana laiba si laibuk thibani makhoi taru gi justice phangdri phawa miyam le paritna khong changkhing gani masi khangna lenga na su thabuk tawgadabani thodok asida kukisna phabli yawro victim sina phongdok pe matungina naga taru hatpa sida KNP gi khut yawi haina phongdolabasu KNP gi lusingba oiriba miyo edu Manipur gi hoji deputy chief Minister Wariba Nmthak gengi nupa oibana action amta lakhotabana lairi asigumba logi wangda leiba loop asibu saugaliba deputy chief minister Nmthak gendagi phamasipu loktokadabni haiki mahangna makhatan hai India lengan aphaba tawnabagi mingda koki militant sing khuyek pina kibasu agreement mi hanaba license wena season naga leire maramasina koki militant sing na khuyek pina riba suwa chisu khutakta abrogate tawadabani haina mahangna makhatari kabole kaide leiba tangkul Baptist Church Imphal TBCI dagi hauraga khuyathong phawbalaga madugidagi mamai lerga mau market tamna sakhiba rally du da lailon wifi ki siblal boy wifi khudakta phagadamni we want justice native indigenous rights namthabaya roi naga taru mi hata chena basing phagadabani naga taru hatpa amasung matu kakthapra da chera ba kuki terrorist phagadabani haibani singba play card kya su sizinaki NI na phagi basing duty magistrate puthokre police custody di laothokhre National Investigation Agency NI na tongan ba case ng sena bani haba tana phakra matung duty magistrate puthokre investigation sa thaba hokre NI na phabri yaw ba arambai tengon etigi thomi mari te ta kaiden thadokadamni haina maiki kya dei phongdong na le pausi sina phangwa pawi matung ina NI na ngarang phakra mi tara adu dei manung de etigi thomi mari chingaren testpur da leiba manga suba IRB degi nongmai lut tawbuda SI ama yauna mioi anina jiribam district marnupi ama ijet mangalagal hatpa aduga lemhoriba mari dana ukhul district Punjab National Bank lut tawkiba amasung chief minister kamphoi ambush tawkiba chena bani hairi pawsina makhatan hai manga suba IRB complex tagi nongmai lut tawbuda chena bani haiba mioi mari adu IPC Armed Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Eki Makhada Lamlai Police Station na local case amadagi NI na hawkiba sahi 25 ki July anida nongna register tawba case amagi makhara phakibani makhoi mari adu hai nongmai lut tawba case asida maru thodang lokkiba miwi ngaktani haina agency asina marasiri pharba miwi mari adu da wahang pang chathabda makhoi mari adu eti thomi sing haijabaga loinana nongmai lut tawbagi thodo adu da saruya ki haina masana yazaki hairi Makoi mari mang duty magistrate putholaba matu makhata na wahang pang chathana nimit tarani gi matam pibina ba duty magistrate NI na hajaki Pausin Makatan Haijiri Bam District in the PM is a Manhala Matung Hatkibagi Toto Senabin have Manipur Police ASI Yawnemu and Yadusu Ena and a Paramatung Liti Magistrate Kimamang the Potokre. Parbimu and Yadu Bartianita Chaita the SK Ek and unlawful activity prevention Eki Makada Ziribam Police the Pakalamba case and the Ena and Hokiba Sahi 2024 in November Tarama to the known register Matung Pavani. High case Chene Hiba, Mui Ama CRP and Pub the Enidation of Matung Makata, Wang Pong Tor, Matung the Mui, Adun Haiba crime do, Sataki Bagi Wadi Pumba Lirak Pagaloin and Todo the Chene Hiba, ESI the Maming to Hidor Kibani. Tungda, Ena and ESI Adula Kokalaba Matunda, Makwe Nimuna Masai Maranya Saki Hari. Tung the Pub Mui the Suditi Magister Game on the Putoro Matu Makata Wahang Pong Satana Bitamun mityeng di laothokhre haina ngasi pausis ni makatari. Nakalam the Ena and the Paba to the Yakuba etiki Tomushin condition of the Thalok to the Miang Akanba chnglagani haina Tawan district upon Marapabi Maketi Fundoli. Ena in 80 members in Paki make the Tawal district Makeka the Marapabi in a Puna Saruya Tawal Mera Grand Community Hall Satagiba, Wakami Pamadu Tawal district upon Marapabi in a Kung Junction and a Wari Basilo Kivini. Kunjanga do the Saruyaki be all Yaripok upon the Imaluki secretary came at Olevi Layman High, Manipur governor and a Kulai. Sinera Matung governor Namakata and a Papa Punbato Rahabi Quay Pino Lining like Suno on Sinon Lady Bamkuta Kulai Pite of 80 Taxation, no noble Maranka, Bisindon Ena and a Papa Punbato for Habisil the Masigima Mas and Singer Panahanato, Singer Canu Singer Monopolo, the Papa Pong High Key. Sahini Manu the Impaled train to Nobiana Lady, Yuna Kemchan. Prime Minister Modi gi mi Makada Manipur India gi railway network ki hona duna Pakala Libre Railway project khungsangawre lagriba sahi ni gi manung ste Imphal yoragani habi thajab leide hana Chief Minister Yuna Kemchana phungdokre. Imphal West District Administration Sindona Chinga Mathak How Ground ngasi pangthokiba Jan Kalyan Civil Public Welfare Camp sarugya dunam hangna makhatan hai India na lenga ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi ki liching makhada Viksit Bharat amachung Viksit Manipur 2047 gi saruk amoina lenga ajin pakhali bu yaifa tharong sing miyam yumthong da phangana panam da kem chi pangthokpani hairi Manipur da pakhali ba chakhot tharong thorom thabak sing paladuna Chief Minister hai India gi railway map ta yaw Manipur bu yaw ba haiduna pakhali railway project asi khongsang yobi phawbi yoksalali lakliba sahi ani gi manung da Imphal soidan yawragani habi thajaba leiri project sin Imphal the Yoraba Matung Mode Papa Mupukiba Hibisi Lenga Si Pandamni, Machina Manipur connectivity, Amazon Sheltung da Achobu Saba, Amogader in Hanam Hana Doki. India Hoji Pakalali by Ek East Policy Makada Paludunam Hanam Kata and Manipur Southeast Asia Gateway Oina Policy in the Tamnambani, Policy Makada Lamdamachi trade Amazon Commerce Town Kudong Jaba Mapang. Basi Kudong Sabasi, Horkador, Miron, Chapchana, Lahoba Tangai Padi, High Hibagalo, and Apunamasi, Tabadon Tola, Bohana, Manipur, Tandu Lake Tabal, and Bagitangai Padi. Basi, whenever Manipur could dominate Kudimana, Manipur, and the Masida Tandu Lake Tapo, Nabuhana, Rivasis, Hogapu, Hanam Hana Makatagi. Nasi Toramadu, the Kangalaba Mahani, the Education Department, Piva Selgim, Mityeng, Amazon, Divina Navana, Marida, Pabasinja, Amazon Tangai Padava, Sana Polam, Chief Minister, and again Toki. BJP the Pole Pakaru had a Pasuma the Kirka, my leg a singer of Nate Sedabata. Marum Krataki Toki Birang as the Mahapunu Shivas in the BJP the Pole Pakaru had a Pasuma the Kid and my leg a singer of Nate and Manipur Legislative Assembly is because Oriba, Yaskol Esigi, Emily Toxum Setabata and Pundokre. And then Manipur is a member in the Kankaba Adikari Mayum Chada Debi Taran Opa Youth Club Manipur. YCB Nepsindana Club as complex a Pangtoki better on the Chigeski Warren period on a Wapam Simana Pongtokibini. Is her dada Asamba Kudol Port Piduna, Pangtok better Madura Tia Shedabatan Mahatan High, is her da versatile or BJP losing by money Mahakima from the party Sinar Kibetabo Kudimak Nasi Pablo Selam than a Langhanda Handol by Yautri. Sinaki Batabokudi my park to Papa confirm Kandaba BJP Maruba leader Mani. Mahana Doctor Patabokudin the party leaders in the Tajaba Sound Tami. Party Sigidamo Hona Zaki Bapunamaki Awaman to parties in the Masakambi Boyna Mahapu Handak Tangi when a Raja Sabagi member when Takibani. Maki Honazam Hana Hoji Pangeri Savagi Posasi Arubas Uidri, Masidai Hena Wang Poskaya Matung the Soina Piraki and Habit Tajaba Sound. Karigumba Lebaki Eva, Madam Karana Awachi Tinka, Amanankre, Adubungasi Power the party, President Amo in the Punam Adum Hana Tona Panatina Dona Landi, politics habits ko gam na saba Tabagamani, Adubu PMO in a Mahana politics, the Mayona River Pressing as politician Nupam na Pabo one tokeni. Maki Tona Lingjin Tamzani Haina Mahana Tagapa Pundoki. Tauramadu Marilena Raja Sabagi MP Adhikari Mayum Sadan Hai, Indiagi Palameda Manipur Miyangi voice Budana Mihut Amo in Chatpa Punjaba Sima. Labagam the Pabani Haina Lawi. Adubu Nakalam the Tandu Letaba Mapung Pana has a little Manipur Miyangi Apam Punaputabu on Topong Mudagadi, Kariugini Haibo Kalas Amuk Amuksu Wakalda Akiba Pakapa Ponda Badinate, Adubu Miyangi experiencing Buduna Dilide Honaba Tamzaba Tabakta Wanagani. Manipur Miyangi Sawa Todama Party Nasinabirigitamu parties leaders in Tagapa Punduk Haina Mahana Haiki. Nmthak tourmbagidmk Akanba mityeng chnglagani haina laothokhre. Nmthak tourga arumba thabak tawbagi mathakta nitam lami mari security force na phangibda chawna chenaba Imphal East district ki manung chanba Manipur na hapam bamo lekai purit mayum lekta leiba contractor amagi mathakta Akanba mityeng chnglagani hairi. Luwana thingreba KCP PWG ki PRO chingkhainga na thadorpa zero na hai lukki achepa warip asi hokiba matang kya mamangde contractor asida kangnei myam amadi lupu namthak tawra chathariba arunba phataba thabak sing tawdena ba amachung semtokna ba khanduna lakhibani adubu contractor aduna lukki wafam na thaiduna laikhiba amadi masai marana jana bidang tanja piba harekpadagi kadar mari adu mahak unana ba chatkibani zero sina makhata na hai labak thibadi kadar mari dune thikada anin kumar gi hana sem saduna thamba yungi CCTV footage the Taiba Satamadu Ula Gadar Maria do Kunek Uriba Security Force Talaga Tachi and Panda Pan Kibani. As soon as Pito Pisin Tobugin and Takto Riba taking up PBR de Maranka and Gamahakimataka Academy Chang Naba Warip Lokibani Harry. Lucky Mamanya look at the Marip Handuna over Tahankiba, much conductor to giving the Kanamian and the Tobugitam Academy Chang Mera PBM Sunkulak with Homission War with the Nozu Makata Ragli. Central Lisimanga Samada Pangtuka the Bunit Example Modern Pangtokre, National Testing Agency and NTN lower national eligibility come entrance test need UG exam question leak over the Yokuna Lake, the Haying Jun Kumato in my Junimita, my pana Pangtokang Nagdam, their Simbatuna Modern Pangtokre. Report a Simbatuna exam centers, the Yam transparency lane take the Kardanam the Asan Mirai the modern mid exam, Pangtopang never give another Ayuma Pandagin the Punipan Hopper. Modern the Pangtokibani, Labasiki exam center somewhere came out to a Bima Palabagi city singing Puna exam center, Lishima Sangaram the exam Pangtokani. In the Amadima Palabaki on a Puna Mahiru Lak, Konito Lishing Drama Panrona Nit Uziki exam Masi the Sarp Yagani. Exam Masi my pana air upon the Aldana Pangtopang anodong Jixin Tonka, Pangtopal Loikri, Examasi question paper exam centers in the Sweden and Yonaba, CCTV camera Tamba biometric verification Amati multi-layer security check Tongabi Torampuna by Kapal Loikri. In Kalali, within a count on the digital space season of Matautai, Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim. Kunaisi in Kalali when Hassan account on the digital space season of Matautai, digital platform na Pirkada Palm the Production in Alton of Loxing Tansin Basangi Haina Manipur Langaki Social Welfare Director Sheikh Abdul Hakim the Fundokre. Beti Pazao, Beti Parao, Benergi Makada Social Welfare Department in the promoting digital safety, privacy, and cyber security awareness among adolescent girls in Manipur. Habis Jawar New Manipur Dance Academy Auditorium Dangasi Bangtuk Numu awareness ki Thorum Danga Wapamasi Dig than Pungtokibani. Thoromaduga Mari Lena Director Abdul Hakim Hai Maru in a Kunai Sinkala Banipim Chas in the Council of Masai Kanada among the digital space season of Matoktai. Digital platforms in the Toko Palm the Production they now talk on Navidamasi awareness Pangtopani. He said as he Tonga he sanction the Tamliva Masai say Tarama eating the tribe and among the 11 Pimas and my using the being Tamdona Toromasi Pangtolivani. Lamdamasi in Kalaliban Pimjas in online harassment kaya ama mayona bigwato equipuna monetary. A single bakaya in a maramurga like Tamba Power to keep a mahirasing out of Benati. Masida Natana cyber bully yauna issue kaya amas mayona about Hingneri. Digital platform Pirapa Sapuna Maramari in Kalaliban Nahakaya, Puning Wakanya Anaba Power Mayona Yauri. A single Pim Masila Pomatam the Matau Karam Tenagani, Amati Kanadi Mityeng Logani. haiba adu kupna khangan na ba pandam da ngasi ki thorom asi pangtholi bani haki social welfare ki joint director WCD Bino Plano mai kapang amadi child development project officer yumnam Surya Jiban yauna ngasi pangthoki ba awareness adu da research person ke ano tongan ba topic sing da maru e wafam ke asu mairo sing da khangan ki loina na awareness thorom adu ki aroi ba sakta mairo sing research person jiga interaction chu chathaki haziki wena di matang asida paulo senjari puno pu amohana kai